Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Talks with Lucy. Today is our guest. This is beautiful. She is Snehal Makwana. She is a childbirth expert and the founder of Tiny Miracle. So, hi Snehal, can you please
Hi.
introduce to us?
Yes, hi Lucy. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Okay, so I'm good too. Thank you for asking. So, hi
Mhm.
everyone. This is Nehal Makwana. I'm a Lamaze childbirth educator, and I do guide a parent, especially a parent to be or a new parent, to have a
Mhm.
positive birthing experience.
Mhm.
I'm almost there past 7 years in this field, and I have already
Mhm.
guided a lot of women to have a
Mhm.
natural vaginal birth.
Oh.
But I can
Mhm.
say that, the goal is not to have a vaginal birth,
Yeah.
but any birth, whether it is a C-section
Mhm.
birth or whether it is a natural birth, you should have a
Mhm.
positive experience.
Yes.
So this is my goal is to guide a woman that do not fear about the labor, do not
Mhm.
think much about the birth. Birth is a natural process rather than any medical event.
Yes, yes. You are doing very good job. That is a very difficult journey for every mother to like they have lot of fear about the labor pain and everything. But you are helping them. That is very good. Okay, we'll start with first question. What inspired you to start Tiny Miracle and the work with moms during the like important journey?
Yeah. So I want to start more from the very small story.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have seen my sister-in-law and
Mm-hmm.
my own mother.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm the elder one, and I have a three younger sister and one
Okay.
brother also.
Mm-hmm.
So during child only, मैंने अपनी mom को देखा है that
Mm-hmm.
she is always busy in taking care of the child. वो अपने बच्चों के
Mm-hmm.
पीछे इतना आगे पीछे है और इतना
Mm-hmm.
stressful है, and lot of
Uh-huh.
thing happens to the baby, but nobody
Yes.
is there to guide. And everybody told her that this is all are
Mm-hmm.
normal.
Okay.
They don't have a solution for it. कि अगर if you are
Mm-hmm.
feeling something like that, so we have a
Mm-hmm.
solution for it. But during that time, I can understand the science इतना आगे नहीं बढ़ा था, so we don't have that much solution for everything.
Yes. Yes.
COVID also, I have seen my sister-in-law that she is, suffering from a lot of other pregnancy issues. She gave a birth to a low weight birth,
Mm-hmm.
baby girl.
Mm-hmm.
तो उसको क्या हुआ था शी nobody is there during COVID, लूसी कि
Mm-hmm.
एक लो
Mm-hmm.
बर्थ लो बर्थ वेट बेबी का ध्यान कैसे रखना है, लाइक दे
Yes.
आर टू द प्रीमीज. सो लो बर्थ
Mm-hmm.
वेट बेबीज कांट ग्रंट, कांट मेक अ नॉइज और कांट क्राई बाय देमसेल्फ. वो लोग को बहुत
Yes.
मेहनत लगता है. सो इवन दे आर हंग्री, दे डोंट नो दे,
Mm-hmm.
बिकॉज वो रो नहीं सकते हैं, तो इसके लिए मदर को भी पता नहीं चलता है कि उसको भूख लगी है.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Yes.
I have seen my sister-in-law going with a lot of
Mm-hmm.
difficulties, and that time nobody is there to guide. And I was
Mm-hmm.
already doing my study and everything. That time
Mm-hmm.
something sparked in me that there should be
Mm-hmm.
someone कोई तो ऐसा होना चाहिए to guide all the mothers, because
Yes.
mothers need lot of support during the birth,
Yes.
not during the birth but the entire journey of pregnancy. They have a lot of
Yes.
questions all the time. I have seen even right now my lot of client, what they do is any single thing
Mm-hmm.
they want to ask, they ask Google. So
Yeah.
I always say that the Google also say itself that our information is not accurate. Whatever the information they have, whatever the research they have, उसमें से कुछ वो
Mm-hmm.
एक information निकालते हैं and they put up on the screen.
Yes.
वही हम लोग सच मान लेते हैं.
Ah.
So there is, especially in pregnancy, whatever, even kahin pe dukha, kahin pe ye hua, baby is not moving, whatever, etc., etc. We ask Google, and every time we can't go and talk to the
Yes.
doctor, can't take an appointment that doctor, this is happening, this is something is happening
Yes.
to me. Sometimes doctors also get frustrated and they don't give us answer. They say this is normal, but for a pregnant lady, it is a not normal. For a doctor, it is
Yes.
a normal because they are from medical background, so they know it is all normal. So that's why I feel that there is a nobody in
Mm-hmm.
this area to guide the woman. Especially ये
Yes.
एक बहुत important part है to any woman's
Mm-hmm.
life, यहाँ पे उसको सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट चाहिए. बिकॉज वो खुद
Yes.
इतनी डरी हुई है और उसको उसके बच्चे के भी इतने टेंशन है, उसको खुद के लिए इतना टेंशन है. सो वेयर शी विल गो एंड आस्क. सो दैट्स
Yes.
व्हाई we feel that someone should be there, someone should take a
Mm-hmm.
stand, field, and then I search about on the Google and how I can do and what
Mm-hmm.
should I do to go into
Mm-hmm.
this field. कैसे मैं ये सब वुमेन्स को इसके लिए हेल्प कर सकूं. Then I come to know
Yes.
about there is a Lamaze organization in the US
Mm-hmm.
from where you
Okay.
can go and take the certifications and all. And then
Mm-hmm.
I did it and I cleared the exam, and then finally
Mm-hmm.
I'm grading a lot of women.
Oh, wow. That's a very good. They're doing great job for that.
Mhm.
Okay, so we'll move to the next question. What is the most rewarding part of being a childbirth educator?
It's a very good question, I honestly tell you, because I know that when I go and when I take a sessions and when I meet
Mm-hmm.
a lot of friends when they are into or when they are pregnant, and when finally when I
Mm-hmm.
finish or when I support them during the labor and when they give a birth, they literally cry, Lucy, because
Yeah.
as I told you, nobody is there to guide, especially a
Yes.
woman, what to do
Mm-hmm.
particular time, especially for a birthing time. So
Yes.
obviously we are in the hospital in India, not in India, I can say, in entire world you go.
Yeah.
The बहुत पहले के जमाने में अगर देखा जाए तो it is completely a natural process. But nowadays, if
Yes.
you see birth, it is a completely opposite. It is a medical event. See,
Yes. Yes.
pregnancy, I always say, ये कोई बीमारी नहीं है हमें. It is a
Mm-hmm.
natural.
Yeah.
लेकिन
Yes.
डॉक्टर्स ने आजकल जाके इतना ये एक
Mm-hmm.
मेडिकल इवेंट बना दिया है. ये दवाई
Hmm.
खाओ, वो करो, ये करो. बच्चे के नेक के
Yes.
आगे कॉर्ड फंस गया है, ये वो.
Yes.
तो when I guide them, when I tell them, woman, that this
Mm-hmm.
is not, you should be aware about what is happening to you.
Yes.
कैसे हमें पता होना चाहिए दैट एट पर्टिकुलर ड्यूरिंग अ लेबर हमें ऐसा
Mm-hmm.
क्या करना चाहिए ताकि हम लेबर पेन को अपना कोप अप कर सके. लेबर
Yes.
पेन I have seen in the movie, it is not exactly like that. We have seen
Yes.
the movie
Yes.
hell in the movie, and
Yes.
हम लोग सोच लेते हैं कि लेबर ऐसा ही
Hmm.
होगा, बहुत पेन होगा, बट एक्चुअली द लेबर इज
Yes.
नॉट लाइक.
Yes.
So when I guide them and after when they say thank you, when they hug me and they cry that, and there are a lot of women who are try for a VBAC, especially VBAC means vaginal birth after a C-section.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of women who try vaginal birth. So they say
Mm-hmm.
अब मुझे पहले नहीं मिली, कहाँ थी अब तक आप? I want to go in my pregnancy journey. When I
Yes.
go and guide them, there are a lot of mother-in-law also attend our class, and there
Mm-hmm.
are lot of mothers who you are there with me during the classes. So they also say that the where were you Snehal before? आप जैसे लोगों की बहुत जरूरत है. So this is the
Yes.
that motivates me a lot, that whatever I am doing, it is correct. But yes, I have seen, Lucy, I honestly tell you, in my early stage of my career,
Mm-hmm.
I go and tell them that this is what I do. I prepare women for their birth. People are, they used to laugh at me. They say that, "Kya? What is this? What you are
Yeah.
doing? कोई भी कर सकता है." If
Yes.
अगर कोई भी कर सकता है, तो why women lot of are nowadays
Yes.
that getting stressed? Why the
Yes.
postpartum depression or prenatal depression is rising
Yes.
around?
Yes. Yes.
Because in earlier days, yes, there is. I have heard also. Every woman have
Mm-hmm.
heard
Yes.
कि हमारे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था.
Yes.
ये
Yes.
जाते हैं, आपको ये करना है, वो करना है. सो आई ऑलवेज से जब भी पहले के जमाने में when there are our mother-in-law and our mother is there, when any woman get pregnant, there is entire whole village is there to
Yes.
support that woman. Nowadays, women are they are staying in the nuclear family. They were work pressure, they were household के जो भी काम है उसका pressure है, lot of other
Yes.
things going on. So
Yes.
obviously सिर्फ पहले के जमाने में जब भी कोई एक महिला प्रेग्नेंट होती थी तो होल
Mm.
कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज द मदर एंड बेबी. उसको और
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं करना था इतना सारा. यस,
Yes.
बेसिक
Yes.
हाउस के जो घर के काम थे वो करते थे, बट वी
Yes.
नाउअडेज एज अ वुमन वी आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स
Yes. Yes.
गोइंग. सो ऑब्वियसली ड्यूरिंग वो टाइम पे और आज टाइम में बहुत फर्क है.
Yes.
वो टाइम पे हम
Definitely.
राइट नाउ सी आई एम वर्किंग, मैं अपने घर भी देख रही हूँ, हमारा काम भी देख रही हूँ. आई एम सीइंग माय मदर इन लॉ आल्सो और डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग. बट पहले के
Mm-hmm.
जमाने में मदर इन लॉ शी इज लाइक दे गिव ऑल द कंसंट्रेट टू देयर बहुस व्हेन दे आर प्रेग्नेंट. बट राइट नाउ
Yes.
इट्स
Yes.
टोटली डिफरेंट. सो
Yes.
आई थिंक दैट प्लीज डोंट जज द वुमन. पहले के जमाने में ऐसा था, हमने ऐसा किया है. वी
Yes.
पहले के जमाने में ये लॉट ऑफ लेबर वर्क्स आर देयर, बट नाउ
Yes.
डेज टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत आगे बढ़ गया है, तो वी हैव अदर थिंग्स.
Hmm.
वुमेन आर
Yes.
वर्किंग, वुमेन आर अर्निंग. बिफोर द वुमेन आर
Yes.
नॉट अर्निंग. सो एवरीथिंग बैलेंस है अभी. आई कांट से दैट कि पहले के जमाने में ऐसा था तो अभी के वुमेन में ऐसा क्या चेंज हो गया है. आई
नहीं,
कांट
पहले
सी
के
और
जमाने दैट इज डिफरेंट, दैट इज टोटली
दिस इज,
डिफरेंट. Yes,
दिस इज द
because
वेरी बैड थिंग आई ऑलवेज हियर फ्रॉम द
yes,
एंगर
yes.
पीपल्स दैट हमारे जमाने में तो ऐसा था. तो
नहीं, आपके
आज
आपके
के
जमाने
जमाने
में
में
अगर
ऐसा.
था, बट आपके पास हेल्प
यस.
नहीं था. बट हमारे पास अगर
यस.
हेल्प है, सो व्हाई वी कांट टेक द हेल्प?
यस,
दैट
वेरी
इज
वेल सेड.
गुड ना. वो बिकॉज
यस,
आपके
इवन.
जमाने में था, आप नहीं कर पा रहे थे,
यस,
आप नहीं बोल पा रहे थे, बट अभी है, हमारे पास सोर्सेस है. सो व्हाई
वेरी
कांट
वेल
यू
सेड.
यूज दैट?
यस. Completely agree.
ये.
Completely agree. I always say that, during that time, even you have all those things, you have all the
हम्म.
breastfeeding issues, you have the fear of a pain, you have the
यस.
कि बच्चा होगा तो क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. All those questions तभी भी थे और आज भी थे. But
ये.
that time, women are not that much vocal. If they have
यस.
something issues, well, they have a fear that, what if I say
हम्म.
something and people judge
यस.
me? What
यस.
if I say that I have a breastfeeding issue, or if my
यस.
baby is not latching well, or if my milk is
यस.
not coming, people will judge
यस.
me, will
यस.
judge my motherhood. So people, women's that time is not a vocal that much. So nowadays women
यस.
are vocal. They say loudly, they say proudly. They
यस.
don't have a कि that कि ये मुझे issue है भाई, इसका मुझे
यस.
solution चाहिए.
यस.
So there is
यस.
right now there is a help is available. There is a
यस.
support that you need is available during pregnancy. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले के जमाने में नहीं होता था, तभी भी होता था. But that
यस.
time the woman doesn't have that much guts to say that,
हम्म.
I have an issue,
यस.
because everyone
डेफिनेटली.
started judging that ये तो कैसी माँ है,
हम्म. हाँ, हाँ,
उसको
हाँ.
तो कुछ नहीं आता है. This is the
स्टिल
way they
स्टिल
think.
स्टिल पीपल आर थिंकिंग लाइक, अभी भी सोचते हैं. जस्ट व्हेन मैं जब मेरे बेबी को डिलीवर किया था, तभी मैंने को बोला था कि मिल्क तो ऐसे ही पिला देंगे. मैं बोली ऐसे ही
Yeah.
पिला देंगे मीन्स आई एम ऑल्सो ए मदर, न्यू मदर. अब मेरे पास
Yes.
2-3 बच्चे नहीं थे पहले से. मेरे को भी पता
Yeah.
नहीं, मुझे भी सीखना है, मेरे बेबी को भी सीखना है. सब कुछ अभी न्यू बर्थ हुआ है, मेरा भी न्यू बर्थ हुआ है.
Yes.
आई डोंट
Very
नो
well said.
एग्जैक्टली.
Correct.
तो
Correct.
तो वही
This is
होता है कि
always
अभी
way.
भी होता है. यस, यस.
होता है. Yes, many a
डेफिनेटली.
time होता है. See, I'll give you a basic, very wonderful example that if someone, suppose you are going to the Kashmir. कश्मीर
या.
में अभी जा रहे हैं शायद दिसंबर मंथ में, सपोज इफ यू आर गोइंग.
हम्म.
सो यू नो ऑलरेडी लूसी दैट कि दिसंबर महीने में जाएगी तो वहां पे बहुत ठंड होगी. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ
यस.
क्लोथ यू नीडेड, एवरीथिंग यू नो.
हम्म.
सो योर माइंड इज ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड कि वहां पे बहुत ठंड
यस.
होने वाला है. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स आई नीडेड. तो व्हेन यू आर
यस.
गो देयर दिसंबर महीने में, सो यू नो दैट कि ऐसा ऐसा तो होने ही वाला था. So same
यस.
thing, I always say that during a birth or during a pregnancy, if someone is there, if someone is guide you कि ऐसा ऐसा आपके साथ होने वाला है, this is the
हम्म.
thing, this is the stages of a labor, this is how you have to
या.
push. This is the what if the water breaks at home, do not panic. If I told you पहले से ही ये सब कुछ अगर मैं आपको बता दूंगी, you are at the very calmer place during the
यस.
contractions happen. आपको पता ही है कि ऐसा तो होने ही वाला है. So
हाँ.
mind and body is already accepted कि ये सब तो होना ही वाला है. तो
यस.
eventually what happens, you don't get a panic and stress during the contractions happen, because you know
यस.
that what to do and how to do. So if ये सब
यस.
पहले से ही कोई सपोर्ट कर दे तो काफी हेल्प हो जाता है. Your confidence
यस.
boosts automatically. I'm not
यस.
saying vaginal birth is the only thing that you have to achieve. Even
हम्म.
C-section birth, any birth is a normal birth. But
यस.
in the
यस.
end, you should be aware what is happening to you and your
यस.
body. And the
यस.
most important thing, in the end, you should have a positive birthing experience rather
यस.
than
यस.
ending up with the thing that कि शायद मैंने ऐसा कर लिया होता तो शायद मैंने ऐसा कर लिया.
हम्म.
Nowadays, I am getting a lot of clients who says that ke, we don't know. Doctors doesn't told us that ke, this is the correct thing, and after that they come to know that they lied. Or in India, it is like a
Yeah.
business. Pregnancy is a business in
Whenever
India.
you'll go, I saw during my pregnancy, whenever I went to doctor place, she used to say like the direct last sentence. She will not tell you everything, whole
Yes,
before that all these things. She will tell that yes, we'll go for C-section. Yes, we'll go for vagina birth. But before that, why? What is happening with you? You
yes,
should know everything. That
yes. You
yes,
should be
doctor
very
is
informed
doing
about
correct
it.
or not. That
Yes,
we should know.
very well said. And
Ye-
because Lucy, what happens though, we don't have a medical awareness that much. We don't
Yes.
have a medical knowledge about with pregnancy and birth. So we are also depending on them that, okay, whatever they are saying,
Yeah.
it is true. But it is
Yes.
the gynec or doctor's duty to tell the truth. कि ऐसा
Yes.
ऐसा है. So
Hmm.
what is your choice? They should give a,
Yes.
because see, ultimate what happens, एक एक वुमन के लिए वो बच्चा उसके पेट में है, उसकी बॉडी के अंदर है, बट
Hmm.
उसके पास कुछ राइट नहीं है उसका डिसीजन लेने के लिए. How
Yes.
to give a
Yes.
birth, or even doctors are like, do in the end what they do कि if you are not listening to us, हम लोग फिर आपका केस हाथ में नहीं लेंगे. This is the way
Yes.
they are saying. So this is, I feel
Yes.
that it is very, very wrong.
Yes.
Just think about the woman when, if you are saying in this particular situation कि हम लोग फिर आपका केस हाथ में नहीं, where she will go? Obviously she will
Yes.
say, doctors आपको जो बराबर लगे वो करो. But
Yeah.
I feel that, it is a doctor's job to calm down a woman during at that time, that nothing will happen. Don't worry. They should be give
Yes.
actual evidence-based and research-based information to the woman. This is what I
Yes.
always say to my older client, that whenever you are taking, any decision about your labor, your birth, your pregnancy journey, or about your baby, always ask the evidence. Always ask what research say. Do you
Yes.
have a time? Not, what is other option to induce the labor? Because see, nowadays what happens, if the women's are, no doctors wait for a labor also.
Yes.
If you suppose the labor has started, and if you have crossed the 5 hours or 6 hours, doctors are
Mm-hmm.
frustrated, like, because labor, you don't know, it could be a 5 hours भी हो सकता है, 12 hours भी हो
Yeah.
सकता है, 8 hours भी हो सकता है. But
Yes.
nowadays there is a research, Lucy, that
Yes.
it's why C-section is rising in India, because of
Yes.
population also, and doctor also doesn't have a time. So they
Yes.
are like, why to waste a time in a labor जो जहाँ पे हम सी
Yes.
सेक्शन 1 घंटे 1 घंटे में कर सकते हैं. So no
Yes.
doctors today wants to wait. So even
Yes.
in our classes, what I say, that always the major chunk of the labor should be happen at home. So when you
Yes.
enter to the hospital, वो लोग का मेडिकल टिकटॉक चालू हो जाता है कि 5 घंटे हो गए,
Yes.
लेबर हुआ है,
Yes.
लेट्स डू द C-section. Because
Yes.
nobody wants
Yes.
to wait. And when you are
Yes.
even a labor, even no single nurse are there, because they have a lot of
Yes.
other things. They can't provide, हर एक वुमन के पीछे एक नर्स नहीं लगा
Yes.
सकते वो लोग.
Yes.
They have other
Yes. Yes.
things.
Yes.
So at that particular time लेबर हो रहा है, तभी आपको क्या करना है, कौन सी पोजीशन में बैठना है, कैसे
Yes.
करना है. So your labor gonna be easy, your baby come very fast. Nobody guides.
Yes. Yes.
Because nobody guides, लेबर आवर्स है वो और लंबा चला जाता है. एंड इन द
Yes.
एंड देखो अभी इतना घंटा हो गया, यू आर इन द लेबर, वुमन हर सेल्फ गोइंग इनटू, वो उसका एनर्जी पूरा ड्रेन हो जाता है. वुमन हर
Yes.
सेल्फ इज
Definitely.
कंप्लीटली, सो शी विल आल्सो से लेट्स डू सी सेक्शन. बट
Yes.
if you know that what to do, कैसे पुश करना है, क्या मुझे ऐसा करना है कि मेरा बच्चा और जल्दी नीचे आ जाएगा, मेरा लेबर आवर और कम हो जाएगा. सो इट रियली
Yes.
हेल्प्स. It really
Yes.
helps,
Yes.
and it is nowadays, as I'm taking a lot of classes, so women's get, वो लोग को नेचुरल बर्थ हो रहा है,
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं हो रहा है. सो आई, और एक में एक बहुत फैंटास्टिक चीज, वी हैव ऑल सीन द
Mm.
स्ट्रीट डॉग एंड स्ट्रीट कैट्स. वो अपना
Yes.
बर्थ, प्रेग्नेंट होता है, वो लोग भी प्रेग्नेंट होते हैं, बर्थ भी करते हैं, अपना बर्थ खुद ही अपना बच्चा खुद ही डिलीवर करते हैं. दे डोंट नीड
Yes.
एनी डॉक्टर. वो लोग
Yes.
बोल नहीं सकते हमारे जैसे, फिर भी वो
Yes.
लोग अपना अच्छी तरह से नेचुरल बर्थ करते हैं. सो
Yes.
ऐसा हमारे आज, आई फील दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू टुडेज वुमेन, why they don't believe in their body, why they don't believe in their self. You have all those capacity already in you.
Yes.
हमारे भगवान ने हमारी बायोलॉजिकल जो भी रचना की है हमारे शरीर की, स्पेशली वुमेन्स की, वो ऐसे ही की है दैट आप वो पेन बेयर कर सकते हो. व्हाई गॉड विल
Yes.
गिव यू unnecessary pain? You have that
Yes.
capacity. That's why God has given you. In every pain during the labor or during the birth, every pain has some purpose. जिसके
Yes.
लिए वो पेन हो रहा है. The pain is not
Yes.
just you, for the woman. You
Yes.
don't. I don't want to take a name of that book. There is a one Garbha Sanskar book. In
Mm.
book it is written, Lucy, it is the pathetic and the worst thing I ever read in my life. That just because you have done something kukarm in past life, that's why you got the ये जन्म में आप एक औरत का आपको जन्म मिला है, and that's why you are suffer from the pain. I feel, what is this? What is nonsense is this? It is written in like Garbha Sanskar book. It is the people will start believing in those things. When you return. I want to say, yaar, what is this? Birth is very emotional and it is a very precious thing in the life.
Yes.
If अगर वुमेन बच्चे पैदा करना बंद कर देगी तो ये दुनिया कैसे
Hmm.
चलेगी?
Oh, yes,
God also,
definitely.
yes, मुझे लगता है कि what is this nonsense written in the books and the way
Yes,
they are
definitely.
it's
How can they
हम
written like this, that cooker and
yes, yes.
everything?
And I didn't know that. One of my clients, she told me that, Snehal, this is something written in this book. And she also got very angry. And, मैंने बोला, क्या है? Seriously, it is written in the book. And she said, yes. And I just check and, it is a pathetic thing. I just throw that book,
Yeah.
this is not a Garbha Sanskar book. मैंने बोला,
Yes,
ये क्या है?
yes.
I feel that the birth is when I have seen the woman when they give a birth, there is some kind of different energy in them. They are
Yes,
like a Ma
definitely.
Durga. This is Navratri going on, I honestly say they have some kind of energy. I have seen the roaring, the way they are roaring, and when they are carry the baby. There is something, actually they are Ma Durga when they give a
Yes.
birth. You can
डेफिनेटली
see
दैट
that.
टाइम लाइक हमारे पास एक ऐसे शक्ति आ जाता है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, वी
Yes.
कैन डू दैट, वी कैन फील दैट लव लेवल एवरीथिंग, दैट विल बी सॉफ्टली। कुछ भी होता है तो मेरे को तो इंजेक्शन देने में भी डर लगता था, बट दैट टाइम
Oh,
आई वाज लाइक कुछ भी करो, कुछ भी
see,
करो,
this is
देयर
the
इज नो
power.
फियर।
Yeah.
यस,
And after giving birth, by your story, I can say that,
यस,
we feel that, कि अगर ये बच्चे को मैं जन्म दे सकती हूँ, that I can do
यस,
anything in the world.
यस,
So your
यस,
birth
दैट
gives you
टाइम,
confidence.
यस, यस,
Your
यस,
birth give you
डेफिनेटली।
confidence rather than, ending up that कि ये क्या हो गया, this is the pain I have to suffer from. As soon as the baby comes in your hand, you forget about all the pain.
यस, यस, दैट
Forget
टाइम,
about all the pain. You are on the ninth
यस,
cloud already that, you
यस,
have given a birth. You feel like the whole world is clapping for you just you
यस,
because you have given the birth to this baby. So
यस,
this is the feeling, this is the power that woman has it. Do not,
यस,
go see ये सब मूवी देख के इतना टेंशन लेने की जरूरत
नहीं,
नहीं
नहीं,
है।
नहीं।
बहुत पेन होगा, ये होगा, फलाना ढिमकाना, मैं कैसे सहन कर पाऊंगी।
पेन, इफ यू नीड समथिंग यू नीड टू, पेन दैट टाइम कुछ नहीं लगता है जब हाथ में एक बेबी आता है, दैट मोमेंट इज
Yes,
लाइक प्रीशियस मोमेंट। आ
yes,
एक उससे ज्यादा खुशी कभी नहीं हो सकता है कि जब
कभी
हाथ में
नहीं,
बेबी आता है। वो पेन
very
पेन
correct,
तब भी हम ऐसे ही भूल जाते हैं लोग। पेन वेन
so
ऐसा
true.
कुछ नहीं होता है दैट टाइम तो। वो पेन तो ऐसे लगता है कि क्या हो गया, एक एक
हो
बेबी
गया।
को हमने रखा था, वो आया, कितना अच्छा लगता है दैट टाइम।
What a beautiful thing it is that, there is a human being that you are nurturing inside you. And then when they're
यस,
coming out, when you see them, just looking at your baby, just say proud. I always say that, always tell yourself that, you are proud to yourself that, इतने अच्छे beautiful baby को मैंने birth किया है and it was
यस,
inside me and my
यस,
body was very well doing everything बहुत इतना अच्छा कर रही थी कि ये बच्चा मेरे अंदर है।
यस,
Nobody, why God has not given this opportunity to man? Why they
यस।
have given to the woman? Because we have capacity.
Go to the next question. How can a childbirth educator help parents feel confident in themselves?
Very good question again. Okay, so first I want to understand, what is actually the childbirth educators do. It
Yeah.
first and most important thing is then they
Mhm.
will guide you about everything about the pregnancy, birth. Even I also take a sessions of the breastfeeding, lactations,
Mhm.
infant care is there. Even I am also a trained infant massage trainer. So this is, but the childbirth educators guide you everything about the labor, birth, and pregnancy. They
Yes.
will not give you any medical advice. They
Okay.
can guide
Mhm.
you, but they don't give you any medical advice because a lot of people have a confusion that they can ask anything to a childbirth experts or childbirth
Mhm.
educator. It's a myth. They can't ask because in the end the history सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स को पता है होती है कि उसके पेशेंट्स को क्या प्रॉब्लम है. So yes, we can guide you, but we can't give you any advice. Okay,
Mhm.
but
Yes.
most important thing that childbirth educators help you. They will first of all they will guide you everything about the labor and birth. They will
Yes.
support you through pregnancy because as I told you early that you have a lot
Mhm.
of questions. One small thing like what if the water breaks? what if, when to go to the hospital, when I will know that what is it is a true contractions or a false contraction. So all those questions, they a childbirth educator guides, how to identify that, it is a false contractions or it is a true contractions. वाटर ब्रेक हो गया तो क्या क्या करना है, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को
Mm-hmm.
एक्चुअली मेजर कैसे करना है, कौन से टाइम को हॉस्पिटल में जाना है, अगर लेबर स्टार्ट हो गया है सो व्हाट पोजीशन यू हैव टू बी, because mostly we have seen, Lucy, women giving a birth in a lie down position. सोते सोते
Okay.
they are giving a birth. This is what we have seen in the movies, and we also know that के हम लोग को एक बेड पे सुलाते हैं and the baby is coming.
Mm-hmm.
But what I say, the giving a birth in a lie down position is the worst position to give a birth. So
Oh,
you
okay.
should know that, what position you have to be during labor. So your baby comes out
Mm-hmm.
easy. Because we have a gravity squatting position, as I always say, that the squatting position is the best position to
Mm-hmm.
give a birth. So there are a lot of things that going to help you during a labor, especially. And
Mm-hmm.
not only labor, labor के पहले का अभी जो 9 month का जो journey है, whatever the question you have, whatever the small doubts and fear you have,
Mm-hmm.
ask to the childbirth educator. They will guide you. They will, जो भी आपके fears है or whatever your doubts हो, they will resolve you. So basically, a childbirth educator will support you throughout your journey and give
Mm-hmm.
you a perfect path for your birth, and
Yeah.
also help you make an informed decision. Because
Mm-hmm.
what happens in India, डॉक्टर्स इन द एंड और कभी भी आते हैं that they say that, ऐसा ऐसा बच्चे के साथ है, दिस इज द थिंग वी आर डूइंग, प्लीज साइन दिस पेपर, ये पेपर पे साइन करो, वॉट एवर हैपन्स वो आपकी वजह से हो रही है. बट आई ऑलवेज से, ऑलवेज आस्क द क्वेश्चन यार, always ask, always see, there is a thing like informed decision making and there is a shared decision making. तो
Yes.
जब भी when you are informing to the parents, तो जस्ट
Mm-hmm.
हम लोग को वो लोग आके इन्फॉर्म करते हैं कि ऐसा ऐसा होता है, ये हम लोग को करना है. बट डू यू हैव दैट अवेयरनेस दैट व्हाई डॉक्टर्स आर टेकिंग सच अ डिसीजन.
Yes.
कभी कभी तो वो लोग ऐसे ही बोल देते, देयर इज umbilical cord around the baby's neck and we have to
Yes.
do for we have to go for a C-section. So
Yes.
you always ask what is the risk. If always the type of a question, this is the one of the example I'm
Yes.
giving. Always ask a doctor what is the risk, how much time we have,
Yes.
do we have other option कि हम लोग सी सेक्शन से करें, उसके अलावा हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन हो है कि नहीं, हमारे
Yes.
पास टाइम है कि नहीं, हमारे पास रिस्क कितना है, हमें कितना रिस्क है अगर umbilical cord
Yes.
is dead. So why don't you ask such a questions, why don't you aware about, क्यों हम लोग डॉक्टर्स को लग जाके पूछते नहीं है. There are a
Mm-hmm.
lot of, just ask a simple question, you will get yourself a lot of clarity. Because in the
Yes.
end, I feel always, Lucy, it's your baby and it's your body. You should have a
Yes.
right in your hand. The command should be in your hand. Just because डॉक्टर्स ने बोल दिया है इसके लिए हम लोग सी सेक्शन करें, और डॉक्टर ने सिंपली बोल दिया umbilical cord or baby has poop inside, let's do go for a C section. How do you come to know that the baby has poop inside? Do you know that?
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes.
Yeah, just हम लोग को वो लोग बोल देते कि बेबी हैज poop inside, तो लेट्स गो फॉर अ सी सेक्शन. सो क्यों, कैसे पता चलता है बेबी हैज poop in there? Did
Yes.
you ask the questions? Why don't you ask? Because, and I always say, you pay what they ask for.
Yes.
डॉक्टर्स ने जो हम लोग को बोला है वो फीस हम लोग उसको देते हैं, वॉट एवर
Yeah.
द इज देयर. सो व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क, एंड व्हाई वी आर गिविंग अ गुड फीस टू देम? बिकॉज वी
Yes.
वी that faith in the doctors that whatever decisions or whatever informations they give us, it is a correct. हम वो
Yes.
हमारा बहुत तरह से ध्यान रखे, इसके लिए हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हम लोग whatever the money they ask we give. So why don't you ask and take a stand for yourself? Why don't you ask
Yes.
such a question? Why don't you ask what evidence says? Why don't you ask what research says? So I always say that's here the main role of the childbirth educators, comes, that they help you to make informed decisions.
Yes.
So you
Definitely.
are aware about that, if the situations, turns. So, how to talk to the doctors,
Yes.
not you that already you have already those knowledge because you have attended the childbirth preparation
Yes.
session. So
Yes.
you know that पहले से कि water break हो गया तो क्या हो गया, what is the, if the umbilical cord is around the baby neck, so when to take a C-section decision. So all
Yes.
those elements we guide during the session. So it is the
Okay.
major advantage.
Mhm. Yes, definitely. Because if you'll ask to doctor, we should know before that what's happening
Yeah.
with us or what is the matter, like what is the next step. We should know so that we'll ask them the doctor. So that
Yes.
is the best idea. We can go to a childbirth expert so that we can know better about the
Yes.
before the what is happening with us.
Yes.
Okay. So next question. Uh, Many mothers feel afraid of labor. What should you say to a mom who is scared of giving birth? Like lot of people, because of labor pain only, they don't want to give a birth.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, that is the main question I heard
Main
from few
question. Yes.
mothers. Labor pain is very difficult.
Yes. So as I told you before also, Lucy, yes, the ऐसा नहीं मैं बोलूंगी कि आपको जरा भी पेन नहीं होने वाला है.
Hmm.
Obviously, the pain तो थोड़ा बोला बहुत होने ही वाला है कि
Yes,
and the fear is also a common that what if
yes,
the pain मुझे बहुत आ रहा है, I'm not able to handle it. But as I told you everything कि भगवान ने हमारा बॉडी ऐसे बनाया ही है that you are able to
yes,
bear that. एंड जो लेबर के बारे में देर इज अ फॉल्स मिथ इज दैट कि बहुत पेन होता है, बहुत पेन होता है. बट इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉपर नॉलेज एंड इफ यू हैव अ करेक्ट गाइडेंस एंड सपोर्ट, you can cope with the labor pain. We
yes,
have a lot of strategies, we have a lot of comfort measures, we have a breathing techniques also that helps you during labor. So वो सब करने से what happens that कि आपको पेन तो हो रहा है but you are handle it so well.
yes,
तो ऐसा
yes,
नहीं है कि बहुत पेन होगा. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ द लेबर इट्स लाइक जो हमारे पीरियड्स के टाइम्स होते हैं वैसे ही होते हैं. तो
yes,
ऐसा
yes,
लेबर विल स्टार्ट और आपको बहुत ही पेन होने लगा एंड यू विल नॉट able to handle that pain. No, it is not like that. Labor is actually
yes,
not that. A lot of client, no, so you don't believe it. Even at the peak of the labor, suppose they have dilated 8 centimeters or 9 centimeters, they have a contractions picking up, labor हो रहा है, contractions एकदम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, and as soon as the contractions over, they are
Mhm.
go into a very sleep deep zone. कंट्रैक्शंस के बीच में as soon as the contractions over वो एकदम बहुत डीप स्लीप जोन में चली जाते हैं. सो लेबर इज पेन, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट के कांस्टेंट होता रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. व्हेन यू गो टू द नेचुरल लेबर, यस दिस इट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ लेबर पेन इंजेक्शंस, वो एक डिफरेंट सिनेरियो. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेचुरल लेबर. तो बीच बीच में यू हैव अ टाइम टू रिलैक्स योर सेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं है कि कांस्टेंट लेबर पेन चालू ही रहेगा, चालू ही रहेगा. वन contraction picking up, again you have a relax, again you have a time to relax yourself, and then
Yes,
again the contractions is coming. So do not have a fear about the labor pain. And I always say whether you give a birth naturally or C-section, any birth is a normal birth, but in the end you should have a positive birthing experience. So do not
yes,
have that fear in you that I am not able to handle it or I'm not able to push it. If you have a fear about all those things, please come to me.
yes. That is the main
Yes,
important part.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. If you want to work with her, you can check out her Instagram ID _tiny miracle. Also, I will mention in the description. Thank you.